What's up, warriors? We have another video for you today. This is on a platform that I don't particularly talk about a lot. However, it is something that can help you to generate an income online with, and it doesn't take a lot of technical skills to actually do. So in today's video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to share with you how to make $1,118 using the power of this website called Steemit. If you'd like to know exactly how to make money online just by utilizing a social media platform and posting on that social media platform to make money, go ahead and type Steemit in the comment section of this video right now, because what I'm going to do over the next several minutes is I'm going to share with you on the tutorial exactly how Steemit works and how you can get involved with it. It's not rocket science in exactly how Steemit works and how you're able to earn income, but it is imperative for you to understand the power behind this website and how you can literally get started today getting on that website and making things work. I remember just a few years ago, a friend of mine actually invited me on to Steemit, and I didn't really take it serious. And you know, now the guy's making 500 bucks a day just by posting on a social media platform. Okay, you guys are doing this regularly on Facebook, on Instagram, so you might as well get paid for it, right? So this website actually helps you to get paid by posting on social media, and it can be about anything that you want to post on social media. It could be about, you know, posting pictures of your dog, you know, pictures that you've taken at a picnic, or whatever the case is. You can actually make money on that social media platform doing what you're already doing right now. So let's go and hop on over into the training where I'm going to share with you exactly how this website works and how you can actually cash out on the money that you're making from this website. All right, so heading on into this tutorial, I wanted to share with you guys exactly what this website is about and how you can get involved with actually making money with this website. And so I'm over here on Steemit, and by the way, it's actually in beta test mode, and it's actually been up for, the last time I checked was about 2 years since I've actually been introduced to this website. And so, like, if you see on this page here and you see these numbers here, they look freaking crazy. But a lot of times when you look at these numbers, you know, that's something that I could have been making on Facebook. You know, if you think about like some of these generic posts, for example, we're going to take this Colosseum Rome picture that we have here. And as you can see, it's just a simple picture of, you know, the Colosseum. And just a short little description here. And that's it. That's all they've had. And as you can see, they have 484 votes, 184 comments, and they've made $720. Or that's not actually dollars, 720.54 I guess in token dollars. Okay, so basically this company is formed their business around a cryptocurrency which they've created for this particular website. So if you haven't been involved in the cryptocurrency community, it's basically another form of digital currency. Okay, and so they have their own coins, they have their own you know, set up there with that. And the great thing about this is, even though it's 720.54 I could say just tokens, right? But if you're going over to coin market cap, and this is where you can see where all the coins, you know, how much each coin is worth. You know, and by any means, I am not a cryptocurrency expert at all. I have not done my full research into it. I just know that you can buy tokens and then you can exchange them at a certain point for more value if the market goes in your favor. So I'm going over to coin market cap, where I can actually track how much that each coin is worth. And as you can see, it is $1.64. It's actually gone up since I've already created the first part of this video. And it's at $1.64. So if you take $1.64 times $720, 700 point something, right? And so I'm going to go ahead and break out my calculator so you guys can see this. So $720.54, right? And then times $1.64 on the coin market cap. So if I go ahead and I total that score up here, it's going to equal $1,181 that was made from this. So if that person decided that they wanted to cash out their coins, that's how much they would make from one post here on Steemit. Okay, and if I go back here to a lot of these different things, a lot of different posts here that you see on here, a lot of it is related to digital currency, but then also it is of people just making posts of pictures and different things that they post on their regular social media, period. And then you have people who obviously are traveling the world, how I became a digital nomad at 19. Let's see, right. Teaching English for free meals and accommodation. So it's a lot of different things that's on this gratitude and snake juice. I don't even know what that is. Yeah, it's just a picture of a snake in the article. Okay, so it's a full article here, but looking at that compared to this post up here, man, I would have paid anything to be on social media, being on Facebook, posting every single day, because I was already doing it at that point anyways. To be making this amount of money per post, I definitely would have been a lot more consistent on that platform. So you got a lot of different categories off here to the left hand side. It's not just about like cryptocurrencies and different things like that. There's a lot of different tactics. So for example, I'm in the travel niche. There's a lot of like pictures of people traveling different places, or photography of different places. If you're a photographer right now or a videographer, this is a great platform for you to start earning money from the things that you're already doing. For those of you that are already on YouTube and you're posting your content on YouTube, you could then also use that same or multi-purpose that content by putting it on Steemit. And that's what a lot of people do here. People who post on Facebook, people who post on Instagram will then go ahead and post that same post on Steemit. And that's how they're earning their extra money from the content that they're creating. So this brings this opens the playing field for a lot of people who just can't land the jobs that they need to land for a photography or videography, or they just can't get, they're not making enough money from the content that they're creating. This is another way of making money online, okay, and with that content. The thing about Steemit is that you can't just hop in here and be like, blah, 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 and just get onto the platform just like every other platform, because there's an approval process. So what I did was I did the same thing. I signed up in it, and I went through the approval process here. And it doesn't take very long. It's about 24 to 48 hours before you actually get approved to be on Steemit. Now a reminder here, this is not like Facebook or Instagram where you just post on there, post free content. This is a place where you can actually earn money by posting content. So there has to be some type of regulation. But in the beginning phase of when Steemit first came out, I remember coming onto the site, it was very easy to sign up. And so, at that point I signed up. So when I started realizing how powerful it was, I went to go log back into my old account, which I wasn't using at that time. I noticed that account was no longer there. And so what I did was I had to go back and re-sign up again, and that's when I started actually using this website. So, with that being said, folks, again, you can use this website to earn money on things that you are already doing before posting your social media content, especially if you're an influencer. If you're not an influencer, great. If you're a photographer, awesome. If you're a videographer, awesome. You like to travel, whatever it is, you can actually start earning some money from this site. And so I highly suggest you go ahead and sign up here today with Steemit. Now, I don't have an affiliate link or anything like that. This is not what this video was about. This is simply just informing you exactly how you can, just another way of actually earning income online. And that's what I do here on this site. If you love what I've just presented to you today, go ahead and subscribe to this YouTube channel. I create tutorials on a consistent basis. A lot of them are way more in depth than this one here. It just so happens that this obviously is a very, very easy way and a self-explanatory way of making money online. But my other tutorials are very in depth, usually going into the realm of advertising on Facebook, and just basically how to get your brand out there or advertise pretty much anything online. Okay, and that's not limited to Facebook. That's YouTube ads. That's Bing ads. That's obviously Instagram ads. And here in the future, I might be getting into Snapchat ads So anyways, with all that being said, you guys take care, and I hope you enjoyed this video from me today. Here in the future, I do have a tutorial coming out. It's actually a series, another series. You guys know I love doing series or setting up series, but that's pretty much what I have coming down the pipeline. But with that training that's I'm going to be releasing as a tutorial is going to be very beneficial for those of you looking to promote pretty much anything online, period. So anyways, with that being said, you guys take care, and I will definitely see you at the top.